amazing, Graham! That cop didn't suspect a thing.
And Clive, you didn't pee your pants.
I don't mean to be a stick in the mud, but you are asking a lot of us, all right? We've only just met, we don't know where we're going or why. You not think we're due an explanation?
Look, the less you guys know, the better. I want you to have plausible deniability. Let's just say I spent a long time at that base thinking I was a guest. Turns out, I was a prisoner. But don't worry, I got it all under control. Fuck, that made me jump.
Poor little thing. Yeah, nothing you could have done, mate.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Just watch.
It's a miracle.
Oh, man, I'm gonna miss these.
Why would you do that?
I'm not gonna eat a dead bird, am I?